YouTube? In today's video we're going to be cleaning the pistons, and as I showed y'all in the last video, I started on this first one and we got it a lot cleaner. So that is a somewhat clean piston, so I'm going to show you a not so clean one, which here is the difference. And the main difference you'll see is up top, all this carbon buildup, very dirty. I still have a lot to get off the sides over here. Just got to figure out the best way to do it. But this and then this, so still got a lot of cleaning to do on this first one. I've just been using some great value oven cleaner. I didn't want to use the heavy easy off because I plan on cleaning this block too with this oven cleaner. So just using that and some Scotch-Brite pads to get everything somewhat clean. That's that. So I'm gonna put this one back so I don't get my pistons out of order, which at this point I'm not sure if it even matters because I'm kind of leaning towards getting some new piston rings just so it's easier to gap them all. But let's go ahead and get to it. So if you didn't watch my last video, I pretty much discovered that my motor is a 4.8. So if you want to see how that happened, go check my last video out. Also, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, leave a like, do all that stuff. Help me get my channel out there because there's not that many people that are LS swapping D35 sedans. So it's not that big of a community, but I want to bring more attention to the LSG35 community on YouTube, and I want to be someone that documents it. I'm not the first person to document doing this, but I want to be one of the people that brings more attention to it. So this is a great platform that more people should pay attention to, especially for an LS motor. No, it's not the cheapest, but this is one of the better platforms to put this motor in my opinion. So that's that. I'm not gonna rant on or ramble on, but let's go ahead and get to cleaning the pistons. All right, everybody, I just wanted to show y'all this piston, and I cleaned it up a lot. I still got a little bit more to do, but I got most of the carbon buildup off. Still got to do the rod, which that won't take long. The rods they don't have really any carbon buildup on them. So just wanted to show y'all this real quick, and we're on to the next one. Probably already been like an hour and a half. As you can see, it's dark outside, so we're gonna keep trucking along. I'm gonna get as many done as I can, and if I don't finish tonight, I'll definitely finish tomorrow, and this video won't go up until they're all finished. So we're gonna get right back to it. All right, folks, so I got 4 of these pistons clean. See, I got them pretty clean. Still got a little bit more to do, but this is just a starter clean, start off cleaning. And on this last one, let me grab it real quick. On this last one right here on this edge, camera may pick it up right there. You can see that I have a dent in the piston. So this is piston number 4. I'm trying to get, I'm not sure you know, if that is bad or if that is going to cause any damage. So if that is bad, let me know in the comments below. If it's fine to run and it won't affect anything, then let me know also, because, you know, I don't think it's major, but I don't know anything about this. I'm gonna do my own research, but any of my LS guys, if a dent like that is gonna cause problems with the piston itself, let me know. So I'm gonna do some research on that, but half of the pistons are somewhat clean. We're gonna do a light cleaning on these other four probably tomorrow, which will be in the same video. So I'm gonna go ahead and go home and get some rest. I gotta get up early for work tomorrow. That's that. So I'll go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and jump into tomorrow. All right, people, so we are back, and it's the next day. Well, barely the next day. The sun is already going down. But one thing I want to say is make sure you wear gloves. I know I had them on in one of the clips, but I ended up working on everything without gloves on, and yeah, that stuff started tearing my hands up. It just dried them out, and now my skin is peeling off my hands. So not too crazy, but wear some gloves. This stuff is very dangerous to your skin, to say the least. So make sure you just put some gloves on. So I'll go ahead and set y'all up over here, and I'll show me cleaning this 5th piston. Then I'll probably jump to whenever it's done, because it would take me forever to record all of that, and nobody wants to sit through that. So we're gonna go ahead and get to work, and let's see what the finished product looks like after this next time lapse. All right, people, so we are done cleaning the pistons for now. This is as good as it's gonna get for right now. So let's take a close look at what we accomplished. So this is the outcome. Man, there's a little bit of sludge left, but honestly, not bad. Mostly in like the crevices, which who cares? I can get all that off. The rods, I'm not worried about those yet either, because the rods are going to be very simple to clean. But you can see we got all the pistons, the tops at least, clean. So it turned out pretty good. Like I was saying earlier, I didn't take the rings off simply because I'm not gonna touch those until I know if I'm gonna get new piston rings or if I'm gonna stick with the ones that I have right now. So I'm gonna wait to take those off, and when I take those off, I'll soak the pistons in something, probably some gas, 93 octane E85, something simple to help me get the rest of the little sludge off. And I'll probably go ahead and do the rod stand too. But one more thing, for my people that saw that dent in that one piston earlier, let me know in the comments if that's something that's serious, as far as, you know, if I should replace the piston, if it's fixable, or if I don't need to touch it at all. I'm not sure. I've been trying to do my research on it since I recorded that, and I can't find anything, so that's that. But that's it for this video. You can see the pistons all look good. They're good enough to throw back in the engine, almost. We're getting there. So next video, we're gonna clean the block up some more. I got a large majority of the gasket off, but now the block just needs a little bit of oven cleaner and Scotch-Brite Love. So that's gonna be the next video. Probably be tomorrow, honestly. Well, tomorrow from the time of me recording this. So that's gonna do it for this video. I've been here for like 3 hours scrubbing on pistons, so I'm pretty tired. Gotta get up for work early in the morning. So if y'all liking how this build is coming along, go ahead and drop a like. If you're new, subscribe to my channel for the build. And as I say in every video, I'm preparing this 4.8 liter Gen 3 LS motor to go into my 2004 G35 sedan. So if you want to see more on that build, go back, check some of my other videos out, subscribe to the channel. And I don't know why I'm waving this freaking flashlight around. And as always, y'all take it easy, and I will catch y'all on the next one.